Whether you have a large garden plot or just a couple pots on the patio, chances are you're growing tomatoes. And obviously this is because they're delicious, they're versatile, and you can grow a lot of fruit in a very small space. Just a quick footnote, as part of a new feature on my channel, I'm going to be talking about and reviewing products and technology that I think will make my subscribers' lives better. And to kick it off, I'm going to be talking about the Vego Garden self-watering tomato planter. I'm also going to be talking about 2 free fertilizers that I use with every single tomato plant that I put in the ground, as well as 1 fertilizer that's crazy cheap. The first thing you'll do is take it out of the package and partially assemble it. Don't build the trellis portion yet. Here are some of the many features that I think will make this the next tomato planter that you buy. It has an easy-to-read water gauge coming out of the water reservoir. They have wheels so that you can easily move the pot around. And if you get too much rain, it also has a clever way of preventing the planter from getting waterlogged. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, now it's time to add the soil and the 2 free and 1 almost free fertilizers that I mentioned in the beginning. This is going to take 1 cubic foot of soil. I will add about 1 cup of coffee grounds mixed in the soil. The coffee grounds help tip the soil more to a level of acidity that tomatoes like. Shells from half a dozen eggs. The eggshells help release calcium the plants will need to develop healthy, firm fruit, as well as better pollination and root development. And 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt under each new plant. The Epsom salt is critical in the plant's ability to take in nutrients. It improves the flavor of the fruit and helps the plant develop a nice dark green color, among many other things. I have to say I'm impressed with how quickly Vego shipped the plants as well as the quality of the tomato plants. Okay, now that the plants are in the soil, one thing you need to do before you fill up the water reservoir, if you're going to keep it outside, is you need to take the plug out of the overflow spout. This allows the soil to drain off excess water based on the moisture levels needed for the plant. I'm leaving the plug in the overflow spout because, well, obviously I'm keeping it inside my greenhouse. But as I mentioned, these are designed to go indoor and outdoor. And you can move them back and forth because, remember, they have wheels. The last step is to build the trellis. So there you have it. I think this is going to be a lot of people's next self-watering tomato planters, but you better get started because spring isn't going to wait. Now, if this video or any of my other videos have been useful to you, please comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, because that's the only way that YouTube knows to send people to my videos. And if you like this video, you might like these.